What's up, guys? Welcome to my weekly trade recap. We all love trade recaps. I do, because, like I said, it helps us to see what we've done in the past, see the weakness in our entries, and see how we can do better moving forward. So, basically, today I'm going to be doing a trade recap for gold. And why did I pick gold? Because I took two losses off gold and I was able to get back on the winning side of gold in this particular trade I'm going to be explaining. So I'm going to be breaking down the losses and the wins and the trade I'm currently in on gold. So come with me, let's work together. So on gold, this is let me so this is gold. So on gold for the past 2 weeks, I've taken about 4 trades on this particular pair. So I booked a trade here. I was looking to sell. I think yes, I think it was about here. Okay, yeah, I was looking to sell around here. I was looking to sell here. I was also looking to sell around this level here. So these are all the positions I've taken from gold since May 19th till current date, which is June 19th. Wow, that's exactly 1 month. Who would have thought? So in the past 1 month, I've been able to book 4 trades, 4 positions on gold, and I'm going to be breaking down exactly what my thought processes was before each and every of this trade. So first off, let me get my bar replay to take it back in time to this particular day after I booked this trade, so we can walk our way forward. So on this day, why did I decide to sell this? So if I go on the daily time frame here, you can see that gold was in a ginormous buy trend. So, but what made me start looking to sell here? You can see we have a double top formation on the daily, so we can see the price has broken structure right around here. So after this particular structure was broken on the daily, solid break on the daily, we had a retest with this candle and we had another continuation here on Friday. So basically I was looking at like the sellers are already in play on gold. So based on my kind of entry, on my entry requirements, so first off I was able to identify we're on a short-term trend on gold, so breaking lows for each of the levels. So this low was broken. Let me change the color of this. So each of the lows was broken. This low was broken here, was also broken here, and we are here. So I was anticipating a correction. Then we have another break here. So I was looking for a 1, 2, 3. Basically, was it 1, 2, 3? Let me see what time did I take this? Okay. So I have not taken this trade here yet. So I was waiting for confirmation. Basically, you can see from here, if we use my fib retracements, you can see price already at almost the 78 extension. This is more like an A plus setup for me. So I have my rectangle box here, so just anticipating momentum for me to get in for a sell. So let's see what the price do. This was, what time was this? This was 23, so waiting for daytime. So we have this 3 o'clock here. So I was looking to book for a sell right around this area, stop loss above all of these highs. Let me clear this so it looks clean. Stop loss above these highs. Then I was anticipating basically a 1 to 2, on this trade. So let's see what the price do after entry. Price just went straight and stopped me out. But that was okay. Then let's talk about this particular trade here. So let's see what price did after stopping me out. Price just continued buying and buying. This is an area that's supposed to be interesting to me because price is in a trend. But if I use my fib tool to draw from here to the high before price stop, price didn't get to any of my area of interest, either the 50 or the 60. So I just decided to ignore the trade. So whilst we're waiting, you can see price already making some structural deformity here. So price broke structure here. So let's see if price is able to recover to these highs. So price never did. So now we have a double top formation right around this level. So I was interested in selling this, but before I sold this, I told myself that basically I can see the price is in a bubble around here. So we have not taken out. Let me do this. So it's in a bubble around here. We have not taken out these highs, neither have we taken out these lows here. So it's in a bubble. But I was looking at the sells because on the daily time frame, you can still see that price is creating lower lows. So this equal highs here, and we have another low here. So we haven't taken out these highs, neither are we taking out this low here. So I was still interested in selling, and I booked in for a sell right around here. This is exactly the parameters. And what time is this? This is 23. So waiting for daytime. So this is exactly the parameter. As soon as I got in, price just moved a little bit in profit. So about a 1 to 0.78, and went straight to stopping me out. So when this happened, I just had like a little bit of an epiphany. I went to the weekly time frame, went back to 2025, the beginning of 25, and started backtesting everything all together. So why did I backtest it? Just to make sure I'm in tune with the whole play. And I noticed that we're in an uptrend overall. So I just decided to respect the people that that are in control of the market, which are the bulls. So with that mind, with that thought in mind, and with my recent test, I decided to wait for the next buy opportunity if it does present itself. So nothing has really worked around here. You can see price has created this same pattern that played here, the same thing that played here is currently playing here. So since I've backtested and make sure I'm in tune with what is going on, I was interested in buying instead of selling again. So you can see as price did this, I found retracement from here to the highs here. You can see the price is already on the 78 extension level here. So I decided to book in for a buy position here. And price just went straight into profit, giving me a 1 to 2.5, and this covered for these two losses, the previous losses before this particular trade. So I've currently and I'm currently shorting gold. So why am I shorting gold? If you go on the daily time frame, again, we can see that we are at the same equal highs where price decided to fail the first time, like it sold the first time. So we have sellers in the market basically at this level, so that we don't have like an equilibrium in buying and selling opportunity. So I felt we might have more sellers than buyers in this market. So as soon as as this week started, you can see my indentation here. I said we're buying, but we're currently at the resistance. So let's see how the week opens. So as soon as the week opened, this is what we had this week. So first off, I noticed a lot of consolidation here. So as soon as the week opened, we had a bearish engulfing. About, let's say this is 3 o'clock, 4, 5, 6, 7 a.m. London session. So I was patiently waiting for the next candle, and the next candle immediately gave me an entry. So I'm currently shorting gold, and this is where we are. So let's see if at the end of this week, so the day I'm shooting this video today is Thursday. So let's say at the end of this week, if this trade goes to full take profit, so I'm looking to book a 1 to 2 risk to reward, then allow the rest of it to go to the 1 to 3. So first TP 1 to 2 and full TP 1 to 3. So if this does unveil itself with my idea, I will shoot a video to explain in details. But with that being said, this is my trade recap for gold. So I was able to let you know my performance in 1 month. So 2 losers, 1 winner, and currently break even on this trade because at the moment I was already 1 to 1.26, so I'm already broken even on this particular trade. So I'm just waiting for the rest to unveil itself, and let's see how the probability of this week yields. So yeah, that's it guys for gold. If you want to learn more about my strategy, you can check some of my other videos where I've spoken details of the strategy. But basically what you can pick from this particular video is that sometimes when you find yourself losing one trade, 2 trades is okay, but sometimes you need to get yourself back in tune with the whole flow. So after the 2 losers, if these trades replay themselves again, I'm still going to sell them basically. But from my recent testing, I was able to figure that we have more buying potential. So everybody, me and you, all the participants that makes up the market are more interested in buying than selling. Even this current trade I'm in currently, you can see how we're struggling to sell, but I am selling from like the daily highs. So let's see how it unfolds. So basically, see what is going on in the market, assess yourself, assess the weekly play, assess the daily play, and find your ways to capitalize on the trend or the market or whatever you're trading. So that's it for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe to your friends, share with your friends. Let's build a community together. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.